If you're seeing an MSN error downloading content, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, so whether MSN is not loading properly, content is refusing to download, or pages are acting up in your browser, these steps can help you get things working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons MSN content fails to load or download correctly. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, try opening another website, and confirm that your internet is actually working. If other sites are slow or not loading, the issue may be with your connection rather than MSN itself. Next, disable any VPN you may be using. Sometimes a VPN can interfere with website content, block certain requests, or cause MSN to think something is wrong with your session. Turn the VPN off completely, then go back and try MSN again. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of people right away. After that, refresh the page. Sometimes the content just fails to load properly the first time, and a quick refresh is all it needs. Press the refresh button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut, and then wait a few moments to see if the page loads normally. If the error still appears, try opening MSN again in your browser and attempt the download or page action one more time. In many cases, once the internet connection is stable and the VPN is disabled, everything starts working as expected. If needed, you can also close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. So to recap, check your internet connection, disable your VPN, refresh the page, and then try downloading or working on MSN again. Usually, after those steps, the site should work normally now. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.